Hello, my name is Phil, and this is my attempt on taking the SAT digital practice test on the Blue Book app. As you can see, I don't even think I've taken this practice test, no score. Oh, yeah, it has a star button, but that's not what this video is about. It's me taking the SAT practice test. So once you log into the app, you probably will get this screen first. If not, I don't know. But this is your main screen. Here, test type, SAT. Okay, so I'm not gonna take the English first. So this is just me flat out taking the test right off the bat. Um, I will be making more videos, you know, of me taking both and and see the effects of the taking the English does. That will be a fun experiment. So let's click on this one. No, 20, I don't know. No, don't need accommodations. All right. And I do have uh, a free write program open, which is I'm going to treat this as my scrap paper so you can see how I doodle my work. As you can, I don't know how. Yeah, so that's gonna be my scrap paper. I wish I could write on the Blue Book app, but this is just the app program, so I'm restricted. Timing, scores, yeah, all right. So like I said, I'm going to skip this. To skip it, do I just click on here? Yes. Next. Modules over. I'm gonna get a terrible score. Yeah. Okay. Now before I begin, is there anything I've remember this is unscripted. I'm doing this on the spot, on the fly. I'm bored and quite a few students asked me to do this, so here it is. Um, yeah, this is just I think I've saw some of these questions before, but I don't really remember them. Okay. Um, Interesting. Okay. Let's see. Question is, I bet you most students don't even read this. But the domain is all real. If you find more than one correct answer, enter only one answer. Really? They have questions like that? Okay. Oh, I'm being timed. What? Being timed reading this? Oh, okay. Let's go right off the bat. What is this? What frequency table correctly represents the data list? They're four fours. Four fours, four fours. Definitely not C. There's 16 fours. What? Four sixteens? No. So it's either A or B. What's the difference between A or B? Number eight. Three eights? Yeah. What? Man, this is easy. Okay. Which expression is equivalent to, oh, these are all factored forms, so factors of negative 40 adds up to 3, not A. B, right? Yeah, 8 minus 5 is 3. Yep. 8 times negative. Let's go. J walks at 3 miles per hour and runs at speed 5 an hour. He walks for W hours and runs for R hours. Run, so this would be 5R. So it could be A or D. Why is this in ratios? Which equation of this situation? Oh, combination 14. So the sum is 14. 3. Oh, yeah, this is easy. 3W plus 5R, right? Okay. Yeah, this gotta be it. Imagine if I'm wrong. No, I am 95% sure. In triangle ABC, B is 52, C is 17. What is A? Well, oh, bloody hell. 52, 17 is not a nice number, isn't it? 69. Okay, that I spoke too early. 69, 180 minus 69 has to be this. Has it? Yeah. What is A? It's the yeah. Um. Okay, this looks like a line. So this is like the initial fee. What is the question? They'll let you charge a one-time fee. Yeah, that's the one-time fee. Plus, what's the percent of the slope of the graph? That's his rate. Hourly rate, right? That's how much he charged per hour. The longer it takes, the more he makes, right? That's the rate. Okay. What the? What is this? What? You found more? Why do I have this on the left side? Okay, that's confusing me. Is that a reminder? Yeah, I think this is just a reminder. Oh wow, they throw in every ounce of help. The table will summarize the distribution of colors and shapes of 400 tiles. Square, pentagon, and total. If one of these tiles is selected at random, what is the probability of a red tile? There's 10 out of 100. Isn't that 1 out of 10? How do I type it? Examples. Point 1, can I use a decimal or can I use a fraction? Express your answer decimal fraction. All right, so 10 out of 100. Let me reread this. Just a red tile? Okay. One like this. I think I can type it like that, right? Acceptable ways? Yes. Yes, you can. Okay, let's go. All right, from a population of 50K, 1K were chosen at random and surveyed about a proposed piece of legislation based on the survey. It is estimated that 35% of the people in the population support. So 35 of the population, not the ones who took the survey. Okay, interesting. With an associated margin of error, 3%, or give or take 3%. Based on these results, which the following is a plausible value for the total number of people in the power who supported the. Really? All that reading? Can I just do 0.35 times 50K? Well, let's see. Half of 50, that's 50%, is 25. So I gotta be under 25K, but close. Gotta be C. It's the only plausible value. Yeah, yeah. No calculation required there. What is the solution? Positive solution. That's important to keep it to be in solution. Okay. All right. I wish I could write over here. This would be a lot easier. Reference. What's this more? Oh. Oh, look at that. Good reference sheet. I don't know if I need that. Okay, okay. Needs a calculator. Oh yes. Ooh, I'll be needing that in a bit. Okay. I think it's called for scrap paper time, I think. Just to be safe, you know. So you got 55 over x plus 6 equals x. Multiply both sides by x plus 6, basically, right? I mean, this is me. I wouldn't do this, but just to show people, even though I have time, x squared plus 6x. This is a quadratic, so I could say 0 equals x squared plus 6x minus 55, right? Ooh, right, okay. X plus 11 and x minus 5. We don't care about that one because this is going to give us a negative solution. So it got to be 5, mate. Yes, 5 it is. Easy. So yeah, I haven't seen one question that I'm familiar with, I should say. An airplane descends from 95 to 5 at a rate of 400 feet a minute. What type of function best models the relationship between the descending airplanes and time? If it's falling at a constant rate, that's linear. Linears are all constant rate relationships. And linear increasing, decreasing, but it's decreasing. right? It's falling from 95, so yeah, it gotta be B. Yo, if you get this wrong, something's wrong with you. Now saying that, let me double check my. Yeah, yeah. Function between what? Between the altitude and time. Yeah, okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, I haven't recorded this. Oh, yeah. So I forgot to put this back, but yeah, this is the word problem. Um, this right here, constant rate, linear. Constant rate is linear, and it's falling, so decreasing. What more can you ask for? All right, to this. If the given function is graph, so this is exponential because you have an exponent x. What is the y-intercept? So you set x equal to 0, don't you? So let's do this mentally. 1 over 12 to the 0 power is 1, right? Because y-intercepts are x equals 0. So I'm plugging x as 0. That's what I'm doing. So this whole thing right here becomes 1. This right here times 11 is 11, right? Easy. Easy as apple pie. Oh, geometry. It's not my favorite thing. The circle shown, circumference is 144 pi. So off the bat, I already know my radius is going to be, because they gave us this in pi, so you can know the pi. 2r equals 144. R is 72. Yeah. So my radius is 72. Okay, these are your diameters. The length of arc PS is twice the length of PQ. What is QR? Oh wow. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Do I have to use the scrap paper? Well, this is half, right? PR is half. Do I need PR? Do I need PR or SQ? Huh. This is twice. So if this is two, so I'm thinking. Um, Interesting. I might have to use scrap paper. Okay. All right. Scrap paper time. I'm wasting time, I think. All right. I'm just erasing my work. I think I'm good for time. Remember, this is my first attempt, so I'm making mistakes here in terms of using this. Can I draw a circle? Oh. Yes, there you go. That's not bad, right? Okay. P Q. I know my R is 72. If this is X and this is 2X, right? Because the information given. Hold on, my kitten. Get out. Go. Okay. Now, what is the length of RQ? What's the length of QR? So they want this, right? And which is this, so this is, so PQ is half, right? So my circumference is half. So PR is 72 pi, right? Which is also equal to SQ, right? Which is this. Oh, wait. I got it. I see. 2x plus x. There you go. 2x plus x. Gotta be 72 pi. No, not pi, but just 72. Let's. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, you have to do 72 pi actually. 72 pi. 3x equals 72 pi. x equals 24 pi, right? But wait, I think I just wasted time because P, did they say PR? No, QR. So if this is 24 pi, I think I'm doing too much work already. Then this is the same as, yeah, it has to be half it's half the circumference. Duh. I'm so dumb. Where are you? Gotta be C. I wasted so much time there. Okay. I blame my cats. They're distracting me. Wanna go out? Go. Yeah. They're distracting me. Okay. A rectangle has a length of x units and a width of x minus 15 units. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I already have it on. If the rectangle has an area of 76 square units, what is x? I just read without even listening to myself. Wonderful. The rectangle has x and a width. Okay. So those are the dimensions. If the area is 76, so don't you just multiply the two? You get x squared. Oh, this is a quadratic again. Oh my goodness. That means take out the scrap paper. It's a quadratic problem. How do I know? Because areas, you multiply the dimension. So it's x times x minus 15 equals the total area given, 76. So you got x squared minus 15x plus 76, which is 0. I told you it's a quadratic. I'm guessing we're just taking positive values, but can I factor this? 76, bloody hell. I can't think right now. It's late, you know. 2 and 38. This is 2 and 16. Wait, 38 is 76. Am I right? Yes. 2 and 16. This is. Am I doing too much? No, this is not 2 and 16. There you go. That's right. It's not 16. It's not 2 and 6. It's 2 and 19. I'm like, what? 76 is not a power of 2. I'm like, there's no way. All right. So it could be 4 and 19 or 2 and 38. Actually, I already see it. It's 4 and 19. X 0. Which one's the positive? It's the 4. Yeah, it's the 4. Yeah. I don't care about 19 because we just want positive quantities because this is all about measurements. So that is A is 4. Oh, that A kind of looked weird. All right, let's hit next. What am I looking at? Rose opens a savings account. The table shows an expo. Really? Oh, it's a really small rate from $4 to $6. That's a small rate of exponential. Between yada yada yada, Rose opens his account and total amount of N dollars. Amount N. Oh. Okay. In dollars in the account. If Rosa made no additional deposits, which of the following equations best represents the relationship between T and N? So this is a compound interest, eh? All right. Well, it can't be A or B because it has no principal, no initial value, and it's supposed to have 6 or 4 in the equation. A is just ridiculously, what is this? 1 plus 64? Not this. How do you even know the interest rate? Oh, so it has to be C or, well, what? D? Why is, no, it's definitely C. Okay, definitely C. Because you have to have a principal in the compound or export. Yeah, compound. This is a compound interest. I don't know if you learned this yet or not, but which is also considered an exponential because it's to the T power. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, 604 initial value. The other three is funny. At how many points do the graph of the equation intersect? Can I do this mentally? The y-intercept is 20. Oh, way up there. Okay. And the y-intercept is 0. So they have different slopes, right? This has a slope of 8, this is a slope of 1, and they have different y-intercepts. 20 and 0 means they will intercept, but only once. I mean, think about it. 2 lines, and A is whoever put D is it's either between A or B. See if it's a quadratic. Neither of these two are quadratics. They're both linear, so you could rule out half A or B, but you know. Anyways, moving on. 5G. Okay, this I believe I've seen this before. I remember 5G and 45R. At a school fair, students win the points depending on 1 student won G green tokens. So I'm guessing this is the amount. G represents the amount of green tokens, and R is red tokens, and the total of so this is the total points. So I'm guessing 5 is the value point of a green token, and the 45 is the value point of red. How many more points is a red token worth more? Oh, 40? 45 minus 5? Is it that easy? Okay. Okay, I mean, the number of bacteria doubles every day. So this is exponential. The rate is, the base is 2. It's D, right? I don't even have to read it because this base is 2, this base is half. A and B is just ridiculous. Oh. So it's usually it's between C or D, but since it doubles, the base is 2. If it said half, it would be C. But anyway, let's move on. A cylinder has a diameter of 8, R is 4, height is 12. What is Whaley? Don't you just do pi r squared times the height, right? Yes, that's in my head. Pi, the height, the diameter is 8, radius is 4, 4 squared is 16, 16 pi. So 16 times 12 pi. So it's not A, it's not B, it's either C or D. I can do this mentally. 16 times 12. It's a number that ends with a 2. Got to be 192, right? Can't be 768, right? Yeah, that's the only, because it's one digits 2. 16 times 12 is something with 2 in it. All right. A system of equation. What is y? Oh, okay. Oh, do I have to use scrap paper for this? Yes, I may have to. All right. Yeah, I do have to. Okay. Let me just, yeah, I had to open a new tab. Okay. Okay. Yep. Edit. Okay. Where are you? Ink? Yes. Okay. So I noticed my second equation that 2x plus 2y plus 10 can just be written as x plus y equals 5. They're the same equations, really. And the other one, I'm going to write it underneath. Why not? And they want us to solve for y, so I'm just going to get rid of x. I'm going to multiply everything by 6, right? And then subtract the equations. Subtract 6y minus 7y negative y equals 2. Y is negative 2, right? Okay, let's go back. A, let's go. This triangle cosine of k is 24 over 51. J is right angle. What is cosine L? Huh. Okay. Let's see. Can I do this in my head? No, I can't, right? Oh, I'm losing time. Jesus Christ. Ah, okay. Back to this. Okay, so cosine. I'm tired too, so I'm not thinking straight most of the time. I'm also recording, so it's something new. I'm not trying to make me excuses here, but pressure and all. Let's say K is here, and this is my 90. That's naughty. Right angle, what is value? So this is L, and this is, oh, why am I writing? Okay, whatever. This is L. All right. Okay. Okay. And this is K. Angle K. Oh, I can do like that. Oh man, I'm wasting so much time. How much precious time. Okay. Cosine K is adjacent. I almost made a mistake right there. Over hypotenuse. So this is 51. And this is 24. All right. Can't I reduce this? Yeah, I should have reduced this, right? 24 over 51 can be reduced by 3. So 8 over, it's a teen. 17. Oh, okay. So this is a 8. Gosh darn it. I forgot. This is a 8. Wow, this is the first time I've seen the SAT use this triple. What's 8 squared plus what squared equals 17 squared, right? Okay. X equals, what's 17 times 17? I should use a calculator. Yeah, let's use a calculator. 17 times 17. 289, duh. 289, I should know that. 289 minus 64 equals 952. Two? This is 15. Okay. It's a, okay. So this is a, wow. That's a first. 8, 15, 17 triangle. All right. Okay. So I reduce it by 3, right? So I'm going to times it by 3. So this is going to be a 45. Okay. And what's the question? What is cosine L? Okay, so cosine L right here. Cosine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just realized it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's just swap the angle. Right? No. No, 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 no. Wait, wait. I just realized. No, 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 no. So the 24. Oh man, this is embarrassing. Okay. This is 24. And this is 45, right? Okay. So cosine L is 45 over 51. 45 over 51. Wow. Oh my gosh. 45 over 51, right? Do they want this reduced? If your answer is a mix, if it doesn't fit, enter. Doesn't say it, does it? Must be reduced? No? Okay. Because I think you can reduce that by 3, but I'm just going to leave it alone. 20. You got a quadratic. Minimum. What's the minimum? Oh, that's vertex. Okay. Let's go back to this. Let's do the vertex. I'm wasting time doing this, so yeah. Okay. If you can do your best, ignore those markings there. Let me see. So vertex is negative b over 2a. Negative 50 over 2 times, I could have factored 2 out. I just realized that. Well, I'm doing terrible here. 2, 4 is 8. And this is 50, 25 over 4. Well, for what value of x? So this is the x, 25 over 4, right? Right. Righty. Okay, back to this. 25 over 4. They accept impropers, right? Yes, they do. They do accept impropers. Next, in this plane, line L passes through 0, 0. Oh, so it's y equals mx, and it's parallel to the represented, so the slope is 8. So I already got my equation, y equals 8x, right? Because it passes through 0, 0, there's no b. Okay, so if this L passes through 3D, what is D? So if x is 3, 3 times 8, right, is 24. So since there's no b, it's just flat out 24. Oh, here you go. So you have 2y equals c. For some constant c intersects at parabola at one point, so that's the vertex basically. If it passes through once a parabola, that's a vertex point. If this is what is c, so again we have to find the vertex, right? Find the vertex point. Let's do that. So we got negative b. Why am I doing it again? The formula, because I have it right here. Do negative 9, yay, over 2 times negative 2, positive 9 over 4. Did I do that correctly? That is my x, right? I need my y because c is twice y. So I need my y now. So I got to plug it into the equation. Negative 2 times 9 over 4 squared plus 9 times 9 over 4. Eeks. This is negative 2 times 81 over 16. This becomes negative 81 over 8 plus 81 over 4. This becomes 8. It's been doubled. So this is 164. 81 minus 64 is 83. 83 over 8 times this by 2. 4. 83 over 4. I think so. Yeah? Yeah. 83 over 4. All right, back to the test. 83 over 4. 5 minutes left. Let's go. Do I have to check? I'm pretty confident, I think. Boom. Oh,